Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Alison Fisher here. I'm here with Danielle and we have a big announcement to make, which is that we have set a date for our open house. Our open house is a time where you can come in and meet everybody and find out about incredible specials. Typically we have specials during our open house event that are better than any other specials we have for the rest of the year. You can pre-purchase and buy as much as you want and use it throughout the year on all your favorite products and services that we offer. So the big date is going to be July 26th. It's a Wednesday. The specials will be on our website. So
yes, everything will be available to purchase online if you can't make it. It's from 4 to 6. We'll have raffles, giveaways, snacks, and Botox will be cheaper than ever at just $9.99 a unit for Botox. All of our laser treatments are 20% off. Hydrofacials, buy two, get one free. So they are all ready to be purchased online the day of the open house. No code needed. They're just ready and priced with all of the specials.
Yeah, absolutely. So for any time during that day from 6 a.m. to midnight, visit our website and you can purchase those specials. Of course, we'd love to see you in here in the office. You can meet us, meet Dani and the rest of our staff, our great staff, and just kind of find out more, have some snacks and hors d'oeuvres, and we'll be happy to see you on that day. Take care, guys.